Hey, what's up? You are on Tech Brothers YouTube channel, and today we have the review of a very interesting fitness watch called Zeblaze Hybrid. As you know, Zeblaze is a popular manufacturer of smartwatches, but recently it produces fitness watches and smartbands. Zeblaze Hybrid is not smartwatch because it doesn't have operating system, SIM and app support. However, it has many other features, such as classic mechanical design with hands, up to 3 years of battery life, notifications, heart rate and blood pressure monitor, etc. Let's make unboxing and full review of this watch. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. The box of Zeblaze Hybrid looks like this. You can see the dial of the watch and Hybrid smartwatch inscription on the front side. I want to note that this is not real smartwatch. I already told you why I think so. On the back you can read the model name, package contents, compatibility and manufacturer. Now let's open the box. Here you can see the user manual in English and other languages. Silicone straps, USB cable, dock charger, and the watch. There is a factory film on the screen. Let's remove it. Zeblaze Hybrid looks very nice. First, I want to attach the straps and then look at the design of this watch. As you can see, Zeblaze Hybrid has a round dial. The case is made of polycarbonate and carbon fiber, while the crown and hands are from stainless steel. The bezels is made of alloy. The dial is covered by spherical mineral glass. It looks very nice and protects from the scratches. On the right side, there is a physical button. It is used only for time settings or change the hands on the watch. The back cover is made of stainless steel. There is heart rate sensor, but I don't see the charging connector. It is very interesting. I think that the charging connector on dock charger connects to the metal back panel. Also, I want to note that Zeblaze Hybrid is not very compact. The case diameter is 45 mm, while the thickness is 15.7 mm. The watch is pretty thick for my skinny hand. The weight is about 58 grams. By the way, Zeblaze Hybrid is waterproof by 5 ATM standard. You can use the watch under the water up to 50 meters. Now, let's look at the dial and talk about main functions of the watch. As you can see, Zeblaze Hybrid has a classic dial with hands and a small 0.49-inch OLED screen at the bottom. There are two touch buttons to the left and to the right of the screen. The left button is used to return to the previous menu and back to the main screen. The right button allows to change the functions and use them. On the main screen of the watch, you can see time, battery level and steps. You can press on the left button for about 2 seconds to change the watch face. The functions of Zeblaze Hybrid are following: steps, distance, calories, sleep, weather, heart rate, blood pressure, and sport modes. Also, there is settings menu with stopwatch, find phone, watch faces, reboot, and information about device. I want to show you notifications on this watch. They look like this. When somebody calls you, there is a call icon and then contact name. To be honest, I have never seen the watch like this. This is a classic mechanical watch with small screen with smart functions. Also, Zeblaze Hybrid is synchronized with smartphone. Let's try to connect the watch to my phone. The companion app is called Comfit. You can download it by scanning QR code in a user manual or directly from Google Play Store or App Store. In general, the app is standard for budget Chinese fitness watches and bracelets. You can see the steps, distance, sleep, heart rate and blood pressure on the main screen. Click on Mine and then Comfit device. As you can see, I have Zeblaze Hybrid connected device. There is camera control. Do not disturb mode. Sedentary reminder. Drinking reminder. and notifications. In the menu, you can choose the apps that can send you notifications on the watch. Finally, let's talk about battery, because this is the main feature of this watch. The manufacturer says that the battery life of Zeblaze Hybrid is 7 days in smart mode and 3 years in watch mode. As I understand, the small screen lasts about 7 days, but the battery life of the dial with hands is 3 years. This is a very useful solution, because if the battery is low, you can always use Zeblaze Hybrid as mechanical watch. The charging time is about 2 hours. I'm very impressed by Zeblaze Hybrid. At first glance, this is a classic mechanical watch, but it also has a small screen at the bottom with smart functions. The watch offers the standard functions for modern fitness bracelets, such as steps count, calories, distance, notifications, and others. The battery life in smart mode is also standard for fitness bracelet, about 7 days, but you can use Zeblaze Hybrid as mechanical watch. It lasts up to 3 years, and this is amazing. The price of Zeblaze Hybrid is only $35. I will leave the link in description where you can buy it cheaper. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.